Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a deep dive into something I know a lot of you are super curious about, Forex trading.
Forex, yeah, it's a fascinating world, but I know it can feel a bit overwhelming at first, right? All those charts, strategies, the whole financial aspect.
Absolutely. And that's why we're here. We're focusing on how a free RDP server can be a total game changer when you're first starting out.
RDP, I see where you're going with this. Smart move.
It's kind of like having a virtual trading computer, right? Up in the cloud, always on, always ready to go.
Exactly. It gives you that reliable, secure environment you need for Forex trading. Because think about it, the markets are open 24/7, right? You got to be ready to jump on opportunities whenever they pop up, no matter where you are.
Totally. I remember when I was starting out, I thought I needed to invest a ton of money in fancy software and a super powerful computer just to even dip my toes in.
Oh, yeah, I remember those days. But a free RDP server totally changes the game, especially for beginners. You can test the waters, explore different strategies, all without breaking the bank.
It takes away that pressure, right?
Yeah.
Because let's be real, Forex trading involves real money and it can be risky. So being able to practice and learn in a safe environment with a free RDP, genius.
Exactly. And think about the flexibility it gives you. Imagine you're on vacation or just away from your main computer, but you see a killer opportunity in the market. With an RDP server, you can just hop on your phone or tablet and bam, you're trading.
No more being chained to your desk. That's a dream come true for someone like me who's always on the go.
Yeah.
But okay, let's get real for a second. I'm sure our listeners probably thinking, hold on, free RDP, what's the catch?
Right. There's got to be a trade-off somewhere. Well, the truth is, there are some amazing free RDP providers out there, but you got to know what to look for.
Okay, so let's break it down. What are the key things our listeners should be keeping an eye out for?
Top of the list, security. Hands down. You're dealing with financial transactions, sensitive data. You need to be sure that your information is locked down tight. So look for providers with strong security measures in place. Think encryption, two-factor authentication, the whole 9 yards.
Makes sense. You wouldn't want to leave your trading account vulnerable, that's for sure. What else?
Uptime. Remember how we talked about the Forex market being 24/7? Well, that means your RDP server needs to be up and running 24/7 too. You can't afford to miss opportunity because your server went down for a coffee break. So look for providers with a proven track record of reliability and minimal downtime. Check out their guarantees, read reviews, see what other traders are saying.
Reliability is key, for sure. Okay, so we've got security and uptime. Anything else?
This might seem obvious, but especially for beginners, you want a platform that's easy to use. You should be focusing on learning the ropes of Forex, not struggling with complicated tech setup. So look for providers with a simple setup process, intuitive interface, something that's user-friendly and makes your life easier.
Totally agree. Nobody wants to spend hours wrestling with tech when they could be learning how to make smart trades. Okay, let's say our listener has found the perfect free RDP provider. They're ready to jump in. What's the next step?
Setting it up? Oh, it's usually a breeze. Most providers have super straightforward processes. You just sign up, download their software, follow a few simple instructions, and boom, you're connected. It's really not as intimidating as it might sound. Many even have step-by-step guides or videos to walk you through it.
So free RDP, it saves you money, gives you flexibility, ensures you're always connected, and it's easy to set up. Sounds like it ticks all the boxes for someone starting out in Forex.
You got it. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal, helping you navigate the exciting world of Forex. But remember, technology is just one piece of the puzzle.
Right, it's a tool to help you, but ultimately, your success in Forex comes down to
Your knowledge and strategy. Don't get me wrong, having a reliable free RDP server is a fantastic advantage. But to really thrive in Forex, you need to constantly be learning, refining your strategies, and adapting to the ever-changing market conditions.
I love that. It's not just about the tech, it's about the journey of learning and growing as a trader.
Absolutely. And that's where the real excitement lies. Experimenting with different trading styles, diving into technical analysis, and finding what works best for you. And hey, with a reliable RDP by your side, you're well equipped to take on those challenges.
So as you venture into the world of Forex, think about what kind of trader you want to be. What are your goals? What's your risk tolerance? Once you know that, finding the right free RDP provider becomes that much easier.
It's like finding the perfect pair of shoes for a marathon, right? It can make all the difference. And hey, who knows? Maybe you'll discover a passion you never knew you had.
And on that note, we're wrapping up this deep dive. But remember, this is just the beginning of your Forex journey. Keep learning, keep exploring, and don't be afraid to experiment. The world of Forex awaits.